We're following some breaking news. Alleged killer Luigi Mangione has pleaded not guilty to federal charges in the murder of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Mangione's arraignment today comes after being indicted on several charges last week. CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman was inside the courthouse, is now outside. Katrina, break down what happened today.
Hi, Lindsay. So for one, Mangione pled not guilty to these charges, and he looked noticeably different today than the last time I saw Luigi Mangione in court at a New York State hearing. At that one, he was allowed to wear his own clothes. He was in a cable knit sweater and khakis. Today, he came in the normal prison clothes. They also had him wearing a bulletproof vest last time, Lindsay, and that wasn't there. But there was Trump-level security to get in here. We had to go through 2 sets of security mags. But some notable things did happen in court today. One thing that was mentioned by Mangione's attorney at the end of the hearing is she said she was just informed that the New York State prosecutors have received phone calls that Mangione has had with his attorneys from the prison. She says they've been eavesdropping on him, that these calls have been recorded and turned over. The judge seemed very alarmed by this. She set a deadline of May 2nd, and she wants a letter from the government explaining how Mangione is being allowed to have private phone calls with his attorneys, and that it's being made sure that these are not going to be turned over to the government.
Can you talk to us about why prosecutors are pushing for the death penalty and which charge that applies to?
Hi, Lindsay. Yes. So they're pushing for the death penalty for a number of reasons. First of all, they say the intentionality of this crime, the way that it was premeditated and planned, the fact that he crossed state lines, tried to evade law enforcement, carrying a firearm. They also say this took place in Midtown Manhattan. It was meant to make a statement. He is targeting an entire industry, and they believe that he could pose a future danger. But his attorneys are trying to get the death penalty precluded in this case, and the judge did just set a deadline for a motion related to that.
Okay, so we've got 2 deadlines. What else can you tell us about what's next in this legal process?
Sure. Well, for one, I actually just want to share another thing that the judge said during court, which was significant, is that death penalty came down from Attorney General Pam Bondi, and it was posted on her social media, Lindsay, which Mangione's attorneys have objected to. What the judge said to the federal prosecutors is that she wants them to share a message and have that conveyed to Attorney General Bondi, that public commentary can affect a fair trial and jury selection. So that was an important moment, I think, in court today.
Okay, Katrina Kaufman, thank you.